if this is the midpoint, this has to be symmetric.
Okay, so carry on.
Okay. Now this E is half a feet. Isn't it half a feet? It is half a feet, right? So 1 feet is equal to 5280. So 5280. Oh, sorry, half a feet, right? Oh, sorry. E is equal to
1 feet.
wait.
E is 1 feet.
No. E is not 1 feet. E is half a feet.
Half a
Because
feet,
our
half a
1
feet.
feet was divided by this 2e, no?
Yeah, it is half a feet.
Yeah, half a feet, right? So is equal to 1 by 5280 mile. Now 1 mile is equal to 2 of our unit. So this 2 and that 2 unit will, so E will be 1 by 5280 unit. Here it is fine, unit alone. Okay. Now you see, this distance is 5280 feet. Okay, this straight distance. Now this distance is 5281 feet. The difference is just 1. So this is kind of like this. Almost, these two are almost in touch with each other. Okay. So when we draw, hey, you look here, concentrate here. Okay. Now when you, this is the point.
Yeah.
Now since this is 5280 and this is 5281, these are almost the same line.
Okay.
So this can be considered to be a straight line. This is one approximation.
Okay.
So the first approximation, this is taken to be a straight line. So in that case, d square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus e square. Do you agree to that?
Yeah.
We agree, right? Now we know the value of 1, we know the value of e. So if you do it, you will get d to be 51 feet.
How, sir?
Because e is 1 by 5280 feet.
Yeah.
So 1 plus something like 1.00, wait, yeah, 1.00 something, then that's 0.00 of a mile, of our unit. 1 unit is something.
So
feet,
what
right?
will be D?
51 feet.
51 feet. It's look more.
Okay, okay, then fine. I will do the derivation.
No, derivation is fine. But it's,
51 50 তুমি কি জানা এগুলো পড়িবা নাকি এগুলো তো
Yes, okay, fine. 1 plus e whole square minus 1, isn't it? So this is 2e plus e square. So e plus 2. So put e is equal to, e means what? Half a feet.
1008189.
Half a feet, right?
I can't see that.
it's fine. Okay. We are considering only
Plus E plus E
approximation.
square.
Okay.
তুমি কি উল্লেখ twice e plus e square লাইছো twice e plus e
No,
square.
Ranjan. I think we are only considering the approximation, right? Result we will do it.
Okay.
You
This is
e
one
হলো
approximation.
51 মিটার ফিট লও পারা না কেন দিছো না
51 feet. Okay, you go for the next approximation.
ডেসিমেশন বুঝি পাবো
I don't understand.
Okay, next approximation. So in the only approximation we use, considering this is a straight line.
Yeah,
And the
next.
reason we gave us that this and this are almost same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for the next approximation.
Wait, be patient, okay? There are others in the class.
rx for you.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
don't laugh.
suppose this is the center.
Okay.
Okay, this is the center. Now again, that I have summarized all the approximation that I will use. Okay. Like see.
No,
this-
no, you don't need to summarize. Just go on the approximation.
I will go, but okay, fine. I will go on. I will tell the approximation as they come. Okay. Now see, if I tell this is r, okay.
Okay.
So r square is equal to, consider this is the right angle triangle. There is no approximation till now.
Okay.
1 plus x square. Do you agree to that? If this is x
If it's x, then r square equal to x square
plus 1.
1. Yeah. Okay.
But this is a circle, right? So this and this is also the same.
Yeah.
Equal to d plus x whole square.
Yeah. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. Good.
Now consider this to be theta.
Okay.
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 Now if I ask you what is r sin theta, what is r sin theta?
R sin theta. R sin theta will be 1.
No. This is not the circle. This is the circle and this is r sin theta. This is the radius and this is my angle.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
What is r sin theta?
r sin theta is 1.
Sorry. What is r theta?
R
1
theta.
plus e.
1 plus e. Ask the correct question.
Wait. Okay. What is
r square is equal to 1 plus x square or d plus x square.
sin theta?
Sin theta equal to 1 by r.
1 by r. Okay.
Okay. Sin theta equal to.
So this implies dividing this by this, we get sine theta by theta is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e. We can write that.
Yeah, of course.
This can be written as 1 minus e divided by 1 plus e. We can write that.
Yeah.
Now sine theta is equal to theta minus theta cube by 3. You know the formula, right? I gave you homework once. So 1 by theta is common, then we have to take theta minus theta cube by 3. Factorial is there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus theta 5 by 5 factorial.
Those you will cancel, right?
Yeah, and this remains is that 1 minus e divided by 1 plus e, right?
Yeah.
So what you do next is that theta, so this will 1 will cancel, right?
Right.
This one and this one will cancel.
So theta
what?
is square by 3 factorial.
So what?
Theta is square by 3 factorial
Yeah. Theta square by 3 factorial
will be e by e
e
plus 1.
divided by 1 plus e.
Okay, great.
So then theta is equal to 6 e divided by 1 plus e. This is.
Okay. Root under, yeah.
Because we have ignored the higher order terms.
Okay.
Okay. So if you get things like this, we'll get a value of theta.
Okay.
Okay. We'll get a value of theta. Now what we want is.
Yeah, I got 51.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Now we want this d, right?
Right.
This d. Okay. Now we have to make one more approximation here. Now I want to do sine theta, and we'll get it 1 by r, right? 1 by r. So we have x.
We don't know x.
Yeah. So from here you will get x is equal to r square minus 1 root over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we know that r square is equal to d plus
Wow.
x
Adishwaman sir, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
whole square.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now in this x, you first of all this r square is equal to x square plus d square plus twice dx, right?
Right.
And then instead of x you put r square minus 1, and this x you put r square minus 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. But see, all these things we are doing in unit of an hour unit, which was half a mile. So this r square, this one is just, this r square is going to be very greater than 1. So this we are almost going to be equal to consider as r.
Okay. X equal to r.
Yeah, so in that case x equal to r.
Okay.
And finally you will get one expression for d. Putting, that means, okay, let me do this. R square is equal to, x square is equal to r square minus 1 plus d square plus 2dr, and r square cancel. So you'll get something like d square is equal to 1 minus 2dr.
Can we neglect d square?
No, D.
Yeah, okay, we can neglect d square. So finally d is equal to 1 by 2r. Yeah.
Okay. Then what is our r?
So r was, we got it by
1 by sin theta.
Sin theta, right? So in that case you will get the answer with 0.00 something feet. So you can see the vast difference between both
Not
the
fit
things.
in that unit, right?
No. Sin theta, no, in that case we will be getting feet only. Wait, we have to see, but whether what we did in this case, r square is equal to 1 plus x square.
Abhi answer bole jabe.
1 plus x square. Now finally when you do 1 by r, if this is in this unit of this is 1 by 2r, depends on what unit you are taking r to be.
Okay. We
In
got
that
it.
case you will be, so you can see how approximation can change the various results. Thank you.